Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Transform your body and improve your neurological disorder with these 3 game-changing ValSlide exercises. These are more advanced exercises, but you can get there with hard work and dedication. I believe in you. Do you believe in yourself? This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia.
All right, we're going to do walks on the hands with ValSlides. You can get these ValSlides just a company. You can get these slides anywhere. Carpet, turf like this, they run on smooth surfaces. They actually make ones for hardwood floors as well. Now at the beginning, you couldn't even do this. Stay tight. Come on. Come on. You're on camera, you got to show. Come on. Almost to the end. Hit that. There you go. Awesome. All right, now I want you to do mountain climbers. So your feet are going to be on the ValSlides. You're basically like in a push-up position. Hands directly under your shoulders. Whole body doesn't move. Just pedaling the feet. There you go. Keep going. I want 20 each. Can we get 20 each? Good. That's 20 each? Awesome. Now you're going to do reverse lunges with the ValSlide. All right, ready? One leg at a time. Put your foot basically on the ball of the foot right in the middle of the slide. Ready? Go ahead. Now, if you touch the back knee to the ground, it's perfect. You definitely couldn't do this when you started. But we're what? A year and a half in of training? And how many months post stem cell treatment? 5. 5 months? Now stop. Other leg. It's not uncommon to be a lot more balanced or coordinated on one side than the other. But that's the point of doing something unilaterally, to bring the weaker side up to the stronger or more coordinated. Come on. Ah, you lost the slide. It's all right. Stop right there.
In conclusion, ValSlide exercises are a game changer for individuals with neurological disorders. They can help improve muscle strength, balance, and coordination, ultimately enhancing quality of life.